Now we'll talk about the stages in globalization. Well, there are these five broad stages in globalization. So, imagine a typical domestic country company which is operating in within domestic boundaries decides that maybe their product is relevant to some customers in other countries, but they don't want to invest in directly exporting, so they start by indirectly exporting through some mediator. These can be e-commerce platforms like Amazon, for example, where I post my products on Amazon.com and global customers can buy my product. So it's kind of indirect export. Now, once the company gets a little more comfortable that yes, there is a strong demand, and instead of going through a mediator, can I serve my customers well? The company goes for direct export. So now the company is directly exporting through their own organized distribution channel. Now that happens, the company gains more knowledge about the customers because now they're directly dealing with the customers, with the markets. They become more comfortable and maybe sort of a little greedy also, where they want to make more and more profits. And then they move towards establishing their production and manufacturing in various other countries and markets in various other countries where makes the most sense for them. And that's when they start moving towards becoming a multinational company. And once the company becomes multinational, it starts looking at each country as a kind of a domestic market and customizes their products and offerings with respect to the country of operations. Then the next level of evolution in this stage is a global company, where a company doesn't look at individual countries and markets separately, but looks at the entire globe as one big market. And Harley Davidson is one example where the global products are made which are suited globally. There are no country specific products. And last, the most extreme in this case is a transnational company. Now we have Coke and Pepsi as examples of transnational companies. These companies typically have the entire supply chain presence in all countries, most countries, wherever they are operating all over the world. So these are the five stages of globalization.